Welcome to the Intro to Crypto Dacxi Coffee Chat. Today is the 19th of December 2020, and I'm pretty excited, to be totally honest. The world of cryptocurrency is spinning on its head dramatically, and you may be listening to find some more confidence in getting involved with crypto. You may be interested because you want to know more about cryptocurrency. Or someone's just piqued your interest in, what the hell is this thing cryptocurrency all about? And they're the few things that I'll go through today. So my name's Andrew Squilari. I'm a crypto asset strategist. I've been involved with cryptocurrency for over 5 years. I've been from the Wild West to major mainstream adoption of cryptocurrency. We've seen it all. We've seen many people make enormous money. We're seeing hedge funds now consistently producing 300% and 400% returns. There's things happening in crypto that you need to learn about, to know about, and to get confidence about as well. So I'm hoping that today I add a bit of value to your world. I'm not a financial advisor. I don't offer financial, investment, or trading advice. Everything I talk about is from my own experience, what I've done, what I've put into cryptocurrency, making sure that you do seek professional, informed financial advice. And if the advisor that you're talking to does not have crypto or has no idea about the coins that you're talking to him about, don't take his advice. That's what I think you should be doing. Now, we do have a problem at the moment with creating wealth. Everyone has a problem because it's very volatile in the markets. Shares, property, and cash management seem to be all over the joint. We don't know what's going on. They don't have a clear direction forward because the government's QE policies, quantitative easing policies, aren't really working like they have in the past. And we're trying to work out what's the next step forward. So property and shares are at the top of their cycle. How longer that continues onward, I don't know. We do know that the property market in Australia may have a hiccup next year when all the first home buyer grants starts to slow down, and also when people go off JobKeeper. So the Aussie real estate market may have a bit of a shocker ahead of it. And also bank deposits are losing money. So bank deposits are a problem. And we need to make sure that we have got money in the bank that is working for us. And at the moment, if you have it in the traditional banking system, it is not working for you. Big question is, what are you going to do differently? What are you going to do to grow your wealth passively? Passive is money making money, your investments making money, things actually turning into more while you sleep. It's really important to understand that you cannot be financially free when you're working Monday to Sunday. For a lot of entrepreneurs, or Monday to Friday, or if you're working wages, you're definitely not going to become financially free working any type of wage. But you need to become financially free to get into retirement, because that is the whole idea of getting to retirement, so you can live on the returns and the wealth you've stored up, and it's grown in value. So what I did quite a number of years ago, I flicked all my money over into cryptocurrency. All my cash assets and some of my unliquid assets, I made them liquid and bought more cryptocurrency quite a few years ago. I went through this wave one adoption when one Bitcoin hit $26,000. And that was in December 2017. So this was a big awakening event in my eyes. Everyone got to go through that event. They saw that cryptocurrency went from 26,000 down to 4,300. And now we're seeing the financials. Now this, just remembering this PowerPoint, I did everything last Sunday night. So now this $25,000 Bitcoin here is now $30,000. So it's gone up $5,000 in a week, and I'll talk about that soon. But the big financial institutions are now heavily involved with cryptocurrency. You've got Fidelity, BlackRock, and Grayscale, the biggest in the world. They're really heavily buying cryptocurrency for their customers. Their customers are wanting it. And of course, they are charging very, very nice fees for that. So those companies are making great money on people wanting to get involved with cryptocurrency, but not actually have custody of that cryptocurrency. And the China Construction Bank. And the big news this week was DBS, which is the Singapore Development Bank, owned by the Singapore government. Next week before Christmas, they are opening up their cryptocurrency exchange, which is directly linked to their stock market, and they're going to start tokenizing the stocks in their stock market. So that's pretty exciting. What we have now is, a lot of people have said over the last few years, well, where can I use my crypto? Well, this is where you can use your cryptocurrency. You have consumer platforms now heavily involved with allowing their customers to buy crypto on their platform. So you got MasterCard, Facebook, PayPal, Visa, and American Express yesterday announced that they're selling cryptocurrency. Stripe and Square are selling cryptocurrency. So all these big payment providers are allowing you to buy cryptocurrency. And that's why we've had this really big rocket over the last few months of prices from down below 16,000 Australian right up to $30,000 Australian now. So we're seeing this big J curve of wave 2 adoption happening right now. We're not at the beginning of it because the beginning was only a few months ago, but we are certainly seeing a massive amount of money pouring into crypto. Now, this is the coin market cap. This is a good spot to go to check on daily prices and price action, what's happening. Got some really good graphs, which I'll talk about as well. But on here, you've got the market cap is $849 billion. So now we've popped up into over 800, which is the peak of 2017. So we're in new charted grounds for the market cap. And trust me, we will be hitting that 1 trillion mark in the near future. $250 million is moved through cryptocurrency every day. That's 24-hour volume. So that number was only 130 a couple of weeks ago. So now it's $240 billion. That is really exploding. We've got Bitcoin at $30,128, which is very nice if you've got it, and up 26% for the week. 1 week move. How did your bank account, how did your house price go for the last week? What was your share price portfolio? How did that go last week? This is 1 week. We'll talk about trends soon as well. So we've got Ethereum at 855. Of course, it only went up 17%. Can you imagine the stock market moving 17% in a week? The flood of money going into it would be enormous. And that's what's happening with crypto. And our last blue chip I'd like to talk about, probably my favorite, is Litecoin, 142. And it's only up 48%. You know, that's why I like Litecoin. I knew it had a big move. It's got a big future, which I'll talk about soon as well. So just going to the Bitcoin charts, you can see at the beginning of one month ago, it was $23,000. Now it's sitting at $30,000. So that trend line is what I care about, is very positive. It only moved 29% for the month so far, but the biggest part was the last few days in December here. So we've gone some ups and downs all the way through, but you know, it is a very, very promising market for Bitcoin. And if you know charts, you'll see that the charts are very favorable for a higher Bitcoin price at the moment. And the Ethereum charts, a month ago was $622. Now it's $855. Of course, that's up 37% for the week, for the month, which is really nice if you've got some long-term investment strategies in your portfolio of growing wealth. And the last one, like I said, my favorite, $84 up to $142, and it is 69%. So that's a really good gain, consistent trend lines going forward. Now, I like the Dacxi platform for a lot of reasons. The main thing is it's crypto made easy. A lot of people, when they look at the Dacxi platform, goes, oh, it's very basic. You know, it's too simple. Anyone can use that. How are traders supposed to use it? The problem is that we did not build it for traders. We did not really build it for I can't even say it now, millennials. It's built for people that have got gray hair, that are low tech or no tech, people who have the greatest amount of wealth at risk, and they can go in there and intuitively work out how to buy, sell, and store cryptocurrency safely. That's the most important part of cryptocurrency. It's the safety aspect. We need to make sure that where you are storing your wealth has got the highest possible security rating. So we have an A+ security rating, and if you do lose your password, we can help you get it back. If you lose your Google Authenticator, we can help you get it back. There is some really good customer support around your account. And if something happens to you on a permanent basis, then your bequeaths can access your money. Really, really important to understand that there's long-term security in having a Dacxi Exchange platform. More importantly, we need to learn about cryptocurrency and what's happening to gain confidence so that we can move into this area with confidence and be bold like I am. So we have a Dacxi Wealth System. It's all about learning. It's about webinars. It's about watching YouTubes that the company produces and what I produce as well. Understanding that there is a whole new world of finance out there that you can easily understand and get involved with. Safe platforms, safe coins for long-term wealth creation. And the good thing about the Dacxi platform is we have a very different business model to a lot of other companies. We can have local licensed companies all using the Dacxi technology. We're not a global company. We're going to be locally in Australia, the UK, Vietnam, and all over the world that have their own local exchanges. There'll be 100 interlink exchanges, all using the same technology, all very independent from each other, but all linked up through the Dacxi coin, which is our exchange coin, which is the currency on our exchange. So there's some big growth potential in the exchange ecosystem as well as the coins. And we are a crowd finance platform, which I'm not going to talk about now. So that is a very exciting area of cryptocurrency once we see the slowdown of the blue chip cryptocurrency pricing, and that will happen definitely. Now we have 3 portfolios. Like I said, we make it easy for you. The 3 portfolios: a wealth builder portfolio, which is a blue chip bundle. Simply click buy. There's a wealth protection bundle, which I really like. I was talking with a very mature lady yesterday, was freaking out about buying too much Bitcoin. She's got a couple $1 million sitting in the bank doing nothing. I think she's getting 0.6%, which was ridiculous. So I said, well, you know, have a look at the 3 programs we've got. You've got the blue chips, which is great. We've also got precious metals. The wealthy in times of disruption go to precious metals. We have got precious metal tokens now. This is real metal stored in the Perth Mint. You just have a token representing that ownership. That's all it is. So it's a real piece of metal sitting in the Perth Mint that you own, but we have something that's transferable. So these tokens are transferable throughout Australia and the world. And the last one is the Wealth Transformation Pack. Now, I love the DAC pack, mainly because they get 50% extra coins when you buy it, but this is a currency on our exchange, which we will be using for crowd financing from 2021 and beyond. So that's a really exciting area of cryptocurrency, that decentralized finance, allowing people to borrow money through the Dacxi Exchange and also fund their projects through the Dacxi Exchange, all using the DAC coin as that medium of exchange. So that's a really exciting program as well if you wanted to create some long-term wealth. How to buy, it's really simple. Someone would have shared this video with you. That person will more than likely be a Dacxi customer. They will have a partner link. You fill out the partner link. You select which program resonates with you the most. You put in the amount that you want to purchase. Click next, of course. You open up an account. So you use your name, a 12-digit password, one letter, one number, one symbol. Read the terms and conditions, please. Don't just tick it like everyone else does. Go actually read the terms and conditions. Sign up for an account, open it, verify it, do your ID checks through there. And when Dacxi gets your money and you verified your account, you will be allocated the coins you've purchased. So you can have DAC coin, silver, platinum, gold, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, Ethereum, and Bitcoin. There's 8 currencies on there, plus the Aussie dollar in there. So congratulations, you've now flicked over from a banking system which is not producing for you over into cryptocurrency. You can get some of the gains that we have been experiencing for the last few years. And trust me, I was watching a YouTube just this morning, and for people that are funding under $1,000 into Bitcoin, there's not much money. The biggest bulk of money going into cryptocurrency right now is people that are buying $1 million worth and more. The rich are flooding into cryptocurrency. The smart money moves first. So the rich are moving into cryptocurrency very, very fast, and we are being left behind because we don't hear about it. They are getting advised to buy Bitcoin. We aren't. Our financial advisors are not telling us to buy Bitcoin, and we are going to stay broke because of that. And just to finish today's presentation, thank you for being open to learning. Plan for the future. Take action now. If you want additional information, go to Dacxi.com. Highly recommended you go through the What We Do tab and the Learn area. Oops. Then go to the Dacxi Global Facebook page and the Dacxi Global YouTube. Watch the videos, get some confidence, buy some crypto, get in the game, learn more, and become financially free as you gain more confidence in crypto. Thank you very much for your time. Take care. Bye-bye.